Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix messenger notification not showing message. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the messenger, and then you need to open messenger from here and you need to click on this update button. So once you done that, your messenger will be updated, and after that you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down from the top and click on app management. Then you need to click on the app list, and here you need to search for the messenger. Then you need to click on that and click on storage and cache. So first you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here like this. So once you done that, you need to go back and restart your smartphone, and after that your issue will be solved. So this is the complete process. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to share that video with your friends as well. Thank you, and I will catch you in next video.